What's going on, guys? With DragsterTV here, back at it again, and today, guys, we are going to be going ahead and installing yet another upgrade on the Excursion here. Now, the new upgrade is just something minor, but I thought it would look cool, and yeah. So it's here today, just showed up this morning, and here's what it is. So it is one of these 60-inch brake light strips for the back. Goes right up above your bumper, right? It'd be in between your bumper and tailgate on pickup truck. But however, our Excursion is an SUV, so we need to put it somewhere where it's visible, obviously, but we can still open the doors. And it looks a little bit thick and wide, so we're gonna have to figure that out. I got two things for it, and since this Excursion is a 2000 Ford Excursion, a little bit old, I was going to need one of these little adapters here because this is a flat 4-pin connector. Yeah, and the original one on the Excursion was one of the round ones, so this wouldn't work without this. If you guys would like to pick up one of these, you guys can, using the link down below in the description. Just got it off Amazon. I think it was like $26, I believe, and this was about $5, so nothing too expensive. I'm not sponsored. I bought this all on my own, and I'm going to be just taking the guys along for the ride. I don't know, some of you guys may think it's cool. Curious to see how it will look on the Excursion. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse. Should only take me about a few minutes, you know, to obviously plug this in, line up where this is gonna go, make sure it fits, and then plug it in. Take off the adhesive, find out where I want it, and then plug it in and show you guys the aftermath. So we're gonna go ahead and hop straight into that. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave that like, and especially if you guys would like to see more videos of the Excursion here, let me know down below in the comments and leave a like on this video. So now with that, we're gonna go ahead and hop straight into fitting this and plugging in the adapter. So I'll catch you guys at that. Alright guys, so here we are at the back of the Excursion. So pretty much it's just as simple as, here's the round plug, the adapter will plug into that, and then it will convert it to a 4-pin where this plugs in. Right now, as I did mention, we are going to figure out, it should just fit right under here. There's a little black strip that should just lay right across, but I want to make sure it's visible, so I didn't just buy this for nothing. Right? So, yeah, let's just go ahead and unlock it here. So if I put it across, so I might need to, it's pretty thick, so it might have to go like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like I have to go right there. So we're gonna fit it here. Let's take this out here. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the big old dual 12-inch Kicker comp seats here. I made a few videos on those if you guys want to check them out. Sound pretty good, hit pretty hard here in the Excursion. If you guys like bass and you own an Excursion, you will not be disappointed if you put subwoofers in an Excursion. Okay, so here's pretty much what you do. Okay guys, so with your brake light strip here, the plug, you're gonna find this little red wire. If you guys read right on the, there's this little instruction manual thing that comes with it. They kind of direct you on which wire's what. This little red one will go to reverse. So if you plug it in, it'll turn all these LEDs white when you go into reverse. So that's a reverse light. But it's just an open wire here now. So what you're going to need to do is disconnect one of your taillights and locate the reverse wire and just kind of connect it to it. And then apparently you'll have your reverse light. Okay, so I'm not too sure if you guys can really see it or not, alright? So what I did, I'm going to take you guys along for this while I'm showing you guys. So pretty much what I did, and here's what it looks like under, that's where, I mean, I haven't taken the adhesive strip off yet to stick it on there. That's what it looked like. And pretty much what I did was I ran the wires right through there, if you guys can see that, and then under there, so they'll be concealed up to right here. And then I'm gonna do something to get them kind of put away. Maybe there's a way I can like run it behind here and then up right to where it plugs in right there. I'm gonna look into doing that right now. If I don't have enough reach, then I'll have to do it kind of like how it is right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep going along with this and catch you guys at the finished product. Okay, so I've ran the wires to my liking up under to pretty much where it has just enough room to plug in right there. And actually the plug come out to like right here. Not too sure what I'll do with this reverse wire. I'm just gonna have to, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Where's that little connector? I'm gonna take that little thing that held all the wires together, and I'm just gonna bunch it up and slide it up under this thing. So I don't really know what else to do with it. I don't want to cut it. So yeah, that's how I ran my wires. Once again, right just under there, and then just kind of concealed them up through there, and that's where they come out. Plug right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna plug in this, and I'm gonna plug that in, and before I completely done deal, keep them right there, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure they work, test and work. Now it's pretty bright out, so probably should wait to do this around when it turned dark. I'll wait to put out this video until later today when it is dark and I can get that clip of how it looks in the dark, how it lights up. So okay, so now it's all plugged in. Still have to find out what I'm gonna do with that. Probably gonna do what I mentioned, but for now, I mean, they're kind of concealed, about as concealed as they're gonna get. All right, there we go. They're lit up. Sweet. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish it up by sticking them on there, and then that's how it would look. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished product. That is how it looks. Got the wire a little bit hidden up under there, that one reverse wire. I'll get it a little bit better hidden here in a minute. I just didn't want it dragging on the ground the whole time. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I mean, it's pretty straight for the most part, as you guys can see. I wish it was just a little bit lower, but it just wouldn't stick half on half, and you know, I don't really want this thing going anywhere, so I might need to straighten it out a little bit more down there. But for the most part, looks all right. They work. So I'll catch you guys at night to finish off the video, show you guys exactly how they look like at night, how much you can really see them, because it would be kind of waste. They'd still be there and you can see them for the most part, but I mean, they are kind of tucked up under there just a little bit, but I'm pretty sure they will be visible at night and in day too. I mean, they are pretty bright, but I don't really know. So I'll catch you guys at night for a good finish off of the video to show you guys completely what it looks like. Hope they look good at night, and I'll catch you guys then to see how they look for the first time. Catch you guys then.